On Wednesday, December 2nd, the moon will be in Cancer all day. Now, this is interesting because we actually get, I'm going to say, 2 full days of Cancer energy and then 2 half days of this Cancer energy as well. Anytime the moon is in her place of power, we have to expect to be hypersensitive, to be very connected to the subtle energies in the world. We have to recognize that we're going to be very family focused, very much recognizing what is our emotional security. And on Wednesday, we are going to kind of declare it a little bit of a moon day because it's mostly the moon kind of making aspects with other planets to help us fine tune where it is that we're at emotionally, especially coming down from the full moon Gemini eclipse energy. But we also have to just kind of keep into consideration that although the moon is doing its thing, although the moon, especially now under the Sagittarian sun, we're a lot more lighthearted, we're a lot more positive, we're a lot more optimistic. So now we get a chance to fine tune our emotions, especially releasing and surrendering all of those heavier emotions under the full moon energy. But Venus and the true node kind of do an interesting little dance here today where when it comes to our love, when it comes to our money, we're definitely going to take on a more serious tone. Having the moon in Cancer in her place of power and being very focused on the home, on the family dynamic, on boundaries that need to be put in place, whether it's in our personal relationships or in our budget. We definitely have a more hyper-focused, centralized idea of what needs to change, what needs to stay the same, because, you know, the Cancer energy likes to kind of stick with tradition, and especially moving into the holidays, there's a lot of debate. There's a lot of things that we want to kind of stick with tradition with. But as you know, 2020 is a little bit of a different year, and some things are going to have to change. We kind of get in a state of overwhelming emotion. We get in a state of really overestimating where it is we thought we would be at this time. And there's an element here where we might be looking at all that we have sacrificed or some of the things that we need to sacrifice. It is all kind of in the realm of change. It's in the realm still of us leaving one age behind and shifting into a brand new paradigm. So where Venus is concerned, where the true node is concerned, that really puts us in a different perspective, a different mind frame of trying to figure out where it is we're going to go from here. What do we need to leave behind in order to truly embrace new ways of doing things, especially where love and money are concerned?